Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and you are watching all with Shivam. So today we are going to see how we can use Databricks for free in the community edition. So after coming on this page databricks.com, you have to go to Databricks. Next will ask whether you are using means whether you are subscribing to this Databricks for your work or for your personal use. So from here you can choose get free edition from for your personal use. And in here we have to select the country we are living in and click on continue. And then there will be a small puzzle. So here we have to match the number of stones that are appearing on the left hand side. So yes, so here the verification is complete and then it is creating our account. So till the time it is loading, you can subscribe this channel, and from today I will be posting the videos on Microsoft Fabric and Databricks and also for the Power BI and SQL. So if you are interested in these topics, then you can subscribe and stay tuned to the videos that are coming up. So it is still loading and yep. So our workspace is created in Databricks, which is free to use for now and for your whole career, I can say, or for means till you are here you can use it for free, means for the community edition. And if you want to use some AI features and some other features which comes under paid version, so you have to pay for that uh, for the Databricks. So on the left hand side you can see all the options are appearing here. From here you can create workspace and a lot of things you can do in Databricks, which we will see in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, and forward it to your friends, family, uh, whoever is interested in these videos and on the in these topics. So thank you.